Beverage. Any drinkable liquid, usually used for drinks other than water. May I offer you a beverage? I enjoyed a cold beverage on a hot day. Comb. To pull a comb through your hair in order to make it neat. I am combing my hair. She combed her hair to keep it neat. Conceal. To hide something or keep it secret. She tried to conceal her fear from everyone. I concealed my money in the drawer. Demise. The death of a person, formal word, often used in news or serious talk. Our teacher met his demise peacefully in his sleep. Smoking was the primary cause of his early demise. Drag. To pull someone or something along forcefully. He is dragging the sack of rice to the kitchen. The boy couldn't drag the heavy bag. Drown. To die by being underwater. I drowned in the swimming pool yesterday. She was drowning in the water after falling from boat. Exhausted. Very tired. After the argument, she felt emotionally exhausted. I am absolutely exhausted after the party. Faint. To suddenly lose consciousness for a short time. I felt faint with hunger in the meeting. She suddenly fainted in the room. Fart. The expulsion of gas from the bowels. He farted after eating beans. She loudly farted in the elevator. Filthy. Very dirty. The room is so filthy, I have to clean it. There are some filthy dishes in the kitchen. Glare. To stare angrily or fiercely at someone. The teacher glared at me in the class. She is glaring at him with anger. Greet. To say hello to someone or welcome them politely. The teacher greeted my father when we met. We first greeted each other on the phone. Hilarious. Extremely funny. Something that makes you laugh a lot. I saw his film. He's hilarious in the film. Why are you so hilarious today? Litter. Trash or rubbish left in public places. Please do not leave litter on the road. The whole park is spoiled by litter. Naked. Not covered by clothing. The baby is crawling around naked. He answered the door half naked. Nod. To move one's head up and down. She nodded slightly to me. I nodded slightly in response to my father's questions. Quarrel. To argue or disagree with someone, often angrily. She always quarrels with my mother. Why are you quarreling with your mother? Rinse. To wash something quickly with water. She rinsed her hands with cold water. I am going to rinse my face. Scratch. To scrape or dig with the claws or nails. His cat scratched me at night. I am scratching where a mosquito bit me. Sick. Ill or unwell. She felt sick on the bus. She is sick with the flu. Sink. Go down below the surface of something. The ship sank to the bottom of the sea. Please help me, the boat is sinking into the water. Spit. To force out the contents of the mouth, especially saliva. She spat on the floor. Please don't spit out of the window. Stalk. To follow someone secretly or closely. Someone stalked me near my office. I am being stalked on the road. Swap. To exchange one thing for another. We are going to swap our books. Let's swap the boxes. Thirsty. Needing to drink. I feel thirsty. Can you give me some water? Have a drink if you are thirsty. Tickle. To touch lightly. My mother is tickling me. She tickled my feet this morning. Weep. To cry, often quietly or with sorrow. She began to weep in her room. The baby was weeping for milk. Wet. Covered in water or another liquid. Be careful. The road is wet. I got wet in the heavy rain this evening. Wrap. To cover, especially by winding or folding. He was wrapping the birthday gift when I came home. I will wrap my gift.